Hi, I'm Brent Yagi, President and Chief Executive Officer for Wabash National Corporation, where we're changing how the world reaches you. You probably don't realize it, but everything you own, everything that brings you joy, and everything that keeps you safe is touched by Wabash National. We are the innovation leader of engineered solutions in the transportation, logistics, and distribution industries. We're committed to delivering breakthrough ideas and solutions that help our customers move everything from first to final mile. You might think of it as point A to point Z for any good, from raw materials to finished products, in your dorm room or your home. Every consumer good, every food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, construction materials, oil and gas, and even chemicals. We touch it all. We achieve this like no other company because we align to three key values: being curious, having a growth mindset, and creating remarkable teams. And you could be the next generation of leaders who keeps changing how the world reaches everyone. We're looking for talented, enthusiastic, and creative individuals who are ready to thrive with us. If you're ready to learn, if you'd like to win as a team, and if you have a hunger to apply your talent to something new, join us. Whether you're pursuing a business degree or a liberal arts degree, an engineering certification, or a Juris Doctor, there's a place for you to excel at Wabash National. Take me, for example. I've worked in human resources, environmental engineering, safety management and operations, as well as plant engineering. I never thought I'd be a CEO, yet here I am. Your career path will be winding, you'll have opportunities before that you've never expected, and you can go as far as you dare to dream at Wabash National. We are Wabash, and we are changing how the world reaches you. Now you get to decide how you will reach the world. Start your career as an intern with Wabash National.